Today I show you what options you have in the Asus router or Asus Router App for the Asus BE92U router, and this is the router here. I'm trying to add the router in the app. This is the first time I was linking the app with the router. From what I understood, I had to give it network access, and then I realized I don't really have to scan anything like this. I will just add an existing router because the router is already set up. I did set it up already. So this is the RT-BE92U and it's already set up. I don't have to do all the steps. I did actually a previous step when I did set it up through the app and through the web interface. And here I chose remote connection, but I turned that off eventually. And that's how the application looks like. This is the iOS app. It shows the 10 giga WAN or LAN port and the 2.5 giga ports. I'm connected through PPOE, username and password, to the ISP here. You can see the clients. You can set family profiles for each device. You can also block individual device and you can block and unblock them. And I'm not sure if I really need to have all these features, but they are there and I might add them at some point. It depends. For now, I think it's not really necessary for blocking content. It's I believe it's better on the device directly to use family link. I believe the device is better to be set up as a child with the proper age, so you can have content restrictions. You have lots of options where you can have a Samba server. Samba server is a Windows server, FTP server. You can change the settings for the Wi-Fi. Here I have the Wi-Fi name, and also there is the IP. I also have the Wi-Fi 6E mode on iPhone, and I did test this. I changed the name to the Wi-Fi 6 to the 6 gigahertz only, and it did work on my iPad Pro M5 and even on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I'm not sure. I wasn't sure if the iPhone 16 Pro Max can connect to 6 gigahertz, but probably I did something wrong. It has this really nice view. I had the same view from the Asus RT-BE92U. That's a really old router from Asus, and this application works with that too. But with the new one, the BE92U, the interface, it has much more options, many things to change. The application adjusts to the router, and here I'm doing a speed test just to see how it looks like. And I was actually far away from the router. Normally I wouldn't have even a very good signal, but now I'm closer to the router. And yeah, this you wouldn't need. Here I need to have one access point and one router. It doesn't really work with only one. The place where I have the router is not in the middle, it's somewhere on the edge, so that's how it is. But the speed for the ISP is full. The 250 mega, that's the speed here. Thanks for watching.